Feeling that morning brain fog? Welcome to day 4 of our smoothie week. Today, we're making the ultimate brain boost coffee smoothie to sharpen your focus and kickstart your energy for the day. Unlike your regular cup of coffee, this smoothie gives you sustained energy without the crash, thanks to the healthy fats and antioxidants we're adding today. We're starting with 1 banana for that natural sweetness and a creamy texture. 1 teaspoon of coffee powder for instant focus. Adding unsweetened cocoa and peanut butter for healthy fats and a mood boost. Just add milk and blend. It's the perfect fuel for your brain and joints, no extra sugar needed. This is the perfect morning fuel to keep you alert and active all day long. Give this a try and feel the difference in your energy levels. Subscribe to Rach-Cooking and don't miss tomorrow. Day 5 is our grand finale, where we'll do a full body detox smoothie. See you then.